Hello viewers, welcome to Amicable Oral English Class Lesson 8. Remember we're still talking about features of consonant sounds and specifically manner of articulation, under which we discussed plosives and fricatives, where we said that plosives are consonant sounds which when pronounced there is an explosion of the air from the airstream, while fricatives are those consonant sounds which when pronounced there is a friction of the air from the airstream. So today we are going to discuss affricates. Affricates is the third feature under manner of articulation. What are affricates? Affricates are those consonant sounds which when pronounced there is a combination of the two we've discussed earlier. That is to say, there is an explosion of the air and at the same time there is a friction of the air from the airstream concurrently. And as you can see from the board, there are only two affricates that are having this feature. When you look at number one, this is a combination of the t sound, which is a plosive, if you could remember, and the sh sound, which is one of the fricatives. So these two sounds blended together to form a single sound are called affricates. The blending of these two consonant sounds to form a single sound is what results in categorizing or calling them affricates. That is to say, these two consonant sounds will produce these two features concurrently, as the explosion of the air and the friction of the air. How are these pronounced? This sound is pronounced ch, ch, ch sound. This is a ch sound. When we pronounce ch sound, at the same time we will observe the explosion of the air. Remember we said the explosion is as a result of a partial rotation of the air before a sudden release of the air. So we're going to retain the air for a very short period of time, then or rather partially, before we suddenly release the air. Ch. This is the explosion, and at the same time we will observe the friction of the air. So ch sound, we have it here in words. As you can see here, this is the word cherish. Cherish, where we have or observe the sound at the beginning of the word, rather at the initial position. Here we have teacher, teacher. Here we observe the sound at the middle position of the word. And we have switch, switch. You can observe the sound here at the final position, that is at the end of the word. Let me tell them again. Here we have cherish, ch. Remember the sound is pronounced ch. And this is cherish, cherish. This is teacher. And this is switch. The second sound is j, is pronounced j. And this is also a combination of the d sound, which is a plosive, and the j sound, which is one of the fricatives. So the blending of these two together produce the affricates j. When we say there is what? Partial rotation of the air, then we suddenly release it to produce j. And at the same time, there's a friction of the air from the airstream. So this is the sound j, j. This is the heavy j sound. And we have it in words like judge, judge, judge. We have it here at the initial position and at the same time at the final position of the word. Here we have adjective, adjective. This word is not pronounced adjective, as we wrongly mispronounce the word. This is not adjective, but adjective, adjective. So here we can observe the sound at the middle position of the word. And this is change, change, change. Here we can observe it at the final position of the word. Let me also tell them again. Have judge, judge, adjective, adjective, change, change, Now that we've seen these sounds in words, let's try transcribing these words and see how we can observe the sounds in transcription. This is the word cherish. Cherish. How to transcribe cherish? Remember, the first thing to do while transcribing a word is to open the slash, the slanted line. This is what differentiates transcription from spelling of words. So the first sound we observe is the ch sound. Remember, we said it is the sound at the initial position, the ch sound. So we're going to drop it inside. This is the ch sound. Ch, ch, ch. We have the ch. That's the e sound, the vowel e, the short e sound. We have the ch. So now we have ch, cherish, cherish. So this is r, cher. We have cher. We have the short e sound. So we have cherry, cherry, cherry. So now we need the sh sound to complete the transcription of the word cherish. So this is the sh sound, and here we have the transcription of the word cherish. We now close the slanted line. So this is the transcription of the word cherish. So as you can see here, we have the sound ch at the initial position in the word cherish. This is the word teacher, and we said we can observe the sound at the middle position of the word. Let's see how we can find the sound at the middle position of the word teacher. In transcribing the word teacher, the first sound we observe is the t sound. T. Remember the t sound? This is the plosive t, 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 t. It is a long e sound, not teacher, but teacher. So it is a long e sound. So we then have t, t. Then teacher, teacher, the ch sound. So this is teach. When we stop here, we have the word teach. We have the transcription of the word teach. But remember, we are looking for the word teacher. Or rather, we are to transcribe the word teacher. So what we need next is the short short sound. So here we have the transcription of the word teacher, with the sound here at the middle position, teacher. This is the word switch, switch, switch. So in switch, the first sound we observe in switch is the s sound, s. So we have it here, s. Switch. So we have the what sound, what. Switch, switch. So it is a short e sound. So now we have sweep, sweep, right? What we have next is the ch sound to complete the transcription of the word switch. So we have switch, with the ch sound at the final position. Now let's go to the next sound, the j sound. We said here we have the word judge, not George. George is the wrong pronunciation of the word, but the correct pronunciation of the word, the correct pronunciation of this word is judge. Judge. So in judge, we can observe the sound j. J. Then ja, ja, the up sound, the short up sound. Judge. And the j sound again. So here we have the sound at the initial and at the same time at the final position of the word judge. Adjective. The word adjective. Here we have f, the f sound. Adjective, not adjective, not adjective, but adjective. The short f sound. Adjective. And the j sound. The short e sound. a jik, the k sound. Tiv, we have the t, the short e sound. Adjective and the v. Here we have adjective, adjective. So this is the transcription of the word adjective with the sound at the middle position. And this is the word change, change. So here we have, first of all, we observe the sound ch, right? The ch sound. Ch. And when we say che, the a sound, diphthong number one. So we have che. Then the n sound, chain. We have chain, but we're looking for the what? Transcription of the word change. So here we have the sound j, change, or the final partition, change, change. So this is the transcription of the words as examples of the sounds ch and j as affricates. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't also forget to follow me on my Facebook page, and don't also forget to share to your learned colleagues, family and friends. Follow me in the subsequent videos for more exciting and educative lessons on pronunciation practice. Goodbye.